If your 99 CRV is stuck in the driveway, we're going to find out why in the next 2 minutes. Statistically, over 60% of starting issues on this specific generation are tied to the ignition system. Let's break down the diagnostic process so you don't waste money on parts you don't need. Start with the basics by checking for loose battery terminals and listening for the fuel pump relay click. The 99 model was known for ignition switch failures, where the internal contacts simply wear out over time. Check inside your distributor cap for red dust or signs of electrical arcing on the coil. Many of these fixes are simple enough for a driveway, but a snapped timing belt requires a professional. Repair costs range from $50 for a relay to over $300 for a quality starter motor. If you have fuel but no start, perform a spark test to confirm if the ignition coil is firing. You can do most of these repairs with a basic socket set and a digital multimeter. Before you buy a new starter, make sure your ground wires are clean and tight. With a little patience, your CRV will be back on the road. Subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.